happened. Still got all my digits, but I did actually cut through the cord when I was going a little too fast one day and not really paying attention to what I was doing. Thought I was gonna have to get a new circular saw, but it turns out you can just buy a new cord. When I was growing up, we had this very dear family friend who actually was a carpenter, and he did chop his the tip of his thumb off with a table saw, I believe. It wasn't totally chopped off, but it was almost all the way through, and bone was sticking out. And he actually had the presence of mind to put his hand in ice and drive himself one-handed to the hospital. And that's pretty badass, if you ask me. All right, let's go plug this in, see if this bad boy works. Work. Oh yeah! Oh, that's awesome! Alright, so I didn't actually have to buy a new circular saw. Sweet! If I can do it, you can do it. Don't be afraid to try it yourself. Look for my next video on Chick Fix.